Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Queues in Salesforce prioritize, distribute and assign records for teams who share workloads. Group of users under one name and can be owner of record. When a group of users want to share the workload effectively and work with them, we create the user as queue. Initially the record is assigned to the queue, then the member of the queue will convert the record on his name and work. Steps to create queue: setup, administration, users, queues, new. Step 1, enter name. Step 2, choose object. Step 3, choose queue members from the available members, public groups, rules and subordinates, users. Step 4, save. So let's see an example. Create a queue by the name queue demo and choose the objects candidate and position. So to do the assignment, just log into our Salesforce account. And for the navigation, just refer to our PPT. So setup, administration, users, expand this, queues. Queue allows group of users to manage a shared workload more effectively. Click new. Provide here the name. So here I had provided the queue label queue demo and queue name is automatically populated. Here queue email is not mandatory. Supported objects. Select the objects you want to assign to this queue. Individual records for those objects can then be owned by this queue. So here I am going to add candidate and position. Click add. Queue members. To add members to this queue, select a type of member, then choose the group. So here public group is there. So just now we had created our group, public group demo, and all the internal users. So two groups are there: rules and subordinates, users. So Salesforce network and user A we had created. So for this I am going to assign this queue to this public group demo. Click add and just save. So like this we are creating queues. Public groups consist of certain users and these are created to group users who have different roles. Public groups, administrators and delegated administrators can create public groups. Group of users wrapped under one name and can't be owner of record. They can store records. Who can be a member of public group? Steps to create public groups: setup, administration, users, public groups, new. Step 1, enter group label and name. Step 2, choose member of group from public groups, rules and subordinates, users. Step 3, save. Let's see an example. create a public group by the name public group demo. So to do the assignment, let's log into our Salesforce account. So we have to go with the navigation provided in PPT. So setup, administration, users, expand this, public groups. Public groups. A public group is a set of users. It can contain individual users, other groups, the users in a particular role or territory, or the user in a role or territory plus all the users below that role or territory in the hierarchy. So all we need to create a public group, click on new, provide the label and group name. By default it's taking grant access using hierarchy, it's checked. And so from here we can assign the public group. So we can also assign a public group roles. So these are the different roles and subordinates, users. So as of now we have the Salesforce network user and user A. So for now there is no public group we had created. So this is our first public group, and in this public group demo uh, I am putting both the users. Click add to delegated administrator groups. I am leaving this. Click on save button. So our public group demo has been created. Like this we are creating the public groups. Thank you.